Feeling overwhelmed by your finances? Drowning in subscriptions you forgot you even had? Or maybe you're just looking for that perfect tool to finally get a grip on your money, plan for the future, and feel truly in control. If that sounds like you, then you've probably stumbled upon a couple of names that keep popping up: Rocket Money and Monarch Money. Both promise to transform your financial life, but how do they actually stack up against each other? Which one is the best fit for you? That's precisely what we're diving into today. Forget the endless searching, the conflicting reviews, and the confusion. We're going to break down Rocket Money and Monarch Money, feature by feature, dollar by dollar, and user experience by user experience. By the end of this video, you'll have a crystal clear understanding of which one aligns perfectly with your financial goals and personal style. We'll start by looking at what each app is designed to do and who it's generally best for. Then, we'll get into the nitty-gritty, the features, the pricing, the user interface, and perhaps most importantly, the pros and cons of each. We'll even touch on security, because when it comes to your money, that's non-negotiable. So, buckle up, because your journey to financial clarity starts now. Let's begin with Rocket Money. Formerly known as Truebill, Rocket Money has built a solid reputation as the go-to app for folks looking to slash their expenses, especially those pesky forgotten subscriptions. Think of it as your financial detective, sniffing out recurring charges and helping you cancel them with minimal fuss. But it's not just about stopping the bleeding. Rocket Money also offers budgeting tools, spending insights, and even bill negotiation services. Who is Rocket Money best for? If you're someone who feels like money is constantly slipping through your fingers, if you have a dozen subscriptions you can't keep track of, or if you simply want a straightforward way to see where your money is going and cut unnecessary costs, Rocket Money is definitely geared towards you. It's fantastic for identifying and tackling recurring expenses, making it an excellent choice for individuals or families looking for quick wins and automated savings. It's also often cited as a great alternative to the now-defunct Mint for those who appreciated Mint's simplicity and focus on expense tracking. Now, let's pivot to Monarch Money. Monarch Money takes a more holistic, comprehensive approach to financial management. While it certainly helps with budgeting and tracking, its strength lies in providing a detailed, customizable overview of your entire financial landscape. This includes robust tools for long-term financial planning, net worth tracking, and even investment monitoring. So, who is Monarch Money best for? If you're someone who wants a deep dive into your finances, desires highly customizable budgeting options, is focused on building long-term wealth, and perhaps even wants to collaborate on finances with a partner or financial advisor, Monarch Money is likely to resonate more with you. It's for users who appreciate granular control and a sophisticated understanding of their financial trajectory. Many former Mint users who wanted a more powerful, ad-free experience have gravitated towards Monarch Money. Now that we've got a high-level overview, let's break down the core features of each. Rocket Money's standout features primarily revolve around expense reduction and quick insights. Its most famous feature is undoubtedly subscription management. It automatically scans your linked accounts to find all your recurring subscriptions, even those you've long forgotten. Not only does it identify them, but Rocket Money can also, with your permission, directly cancel unwanted subscriptions on your behalf. This concierge cancellation service is a huge time saver and a major draw for many users. Beyond subscriptions, Rocket Money offers bill negotiation. This is where their specialists will contact your service providers, think internet, cable, or phone companies, and attempt to negotiate lower rates for you. If successful, they take a percentage of your first year's savings, typically between 30% and 60%, which you get to choose. It's a no-win, no-fee model, so you only pay if they save you money. For everyday budgeting, Rocket Money provides expense tracking and categorization. It automatically syncs with your bank accounts and credit cards, categorizing your transactions to show you exactly where your money is going. You can also create custom budget categories and set spending limits. It has smart savings features that can analyze your spending patterns and suggest small, regular transfers to a linked savings account to help you reach your goals. They also offer credit score monitoring and net worth tracking, though these are generally more basic compared to dedicated tools. On the other hand, Monarch Money offers a broader and often deeper set of features designed for comprehensive financial management. Its budgeting tools are highly customizable, allowing you to set up budgets that truly fit your unique spending habits. It supports various budgeting philosophies, giving you the flexibility to adapt. Monarch excels in comprehensive financial integration, pulling data from a vast number of financial institutions to give you a holistic view of your accounts, including bank accounts, credit cards, loans, and even some crypto platforms like Coinbase. A significant strength of Monarch is its investment tracking. It allows you to monitor your portfolio across multiple brokers and accounts, providing insights into your asset allocation and performance. This is a big plus for users focused on building wealth over the long term. Monarch also offers goal tracking, where you can set and monitor progress toward various financial goals, such as saving for a down payment, retirement, or debt payoff. Its reporting features are robust, allowing you to generate custom charts and reports to visualize your spending trends, income, and net worth over time. Another unique feature is collaboration, which allows you to invite household members or even a financial advisor to share dashboards and collaborate on financial planning with unique logins. Monarch prides itself on a clean, ad-free interface, which contributes to a very user-friendly experience. They also have an Amazon Order Sync feature and Bill Sync to track statement balances and payments. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room for many: pricing. Rocket Money operates on a freemium model. There's a free basic version that offers expense tracking and basic budgeting. However, many of its most compelling features, like the concierge subscription cancellation, bill negotiation, custom budget categories, real-time balance updates, and credit reports, are part of its premium membership. The interesting thing about Rocket Money's premium pricing is that it's on a sliding scale, allowing users to choose what they pay, typically ranging from $4 to $12 per month, billed annually. There's also a 7-day free trial for the premium features. Remember, the bill negotiation service has a separate fee, which is a percentage of your savings. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.